Smart riders aren't guessing anymore. They're choosing motorcycles that deliver real value every day. These are the bikes buyers trust right now. Number 7. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 has quietly become one of the smartest choices for riders who want comfort, simplicity, and dependable everyday performance. It's especially popular among mature riders and beginners who appreciate a relaxed riding experience without unnecessary complexity. At the heart of the Meteor 350 is a smooth 349 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that focuses on steady, predictable power rather than speed. You immediately notice how calm and manageable this motorcycle feels. Whether you're commuting through town or enjoying a weekend cruise, it's not intimidating, and that's exactly why so many riders trust it. Another reason buyers are choosing this bike is its excellent fuel economy, which typically delivers around 35 to 40 kilometers per liter in real-world riding. That means fewer stops at the fuel station and more time on the road, something every practical rider appreciates. The low seat height of about 765 millimeters also makes it very accessible, giving riders strong confidence when stopping or maneuvering in traffic. Comfort is where the Meteor truly shines. The riding position is upright, the seat is well padded, and the suspension handles everyday roads with ease. This is the kind of bike that makes daily riding feel relaxed instead of tiring. For riders who want reliability, comfort, and a motorcycle that simply works every single day, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 remains a smart and sensible starting point on this list. Number 6. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a smart choice for riders who want cruiser style without the usual heaviness and difficulty. It has a relaxed look, but it rides with the smooth and practical feel of a modern, everyday motorcycle. It uses a proven 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, usable power for both city roads and highway riding. The bike feels responsive without being intimidating, which is one reason so many buyers trust it. You get enough performance to enjoy every ride, but in a way that still feels controlled and comfortable. Another big advantage is its low seat height of around 705 millimeters, which helps many riders feel more confident at stops and in slow traffic. It also has a reasonable wet weight of about 229 kilograms, so it feels stable on the road without becoming too difficult to manage. What makes the Vulcan S special is how easy it is to live with. The riding position is comfortable, the engine feels refined, and the bike suits both newer riders and experienced owners who want something simple and dependable. This is the kind of motorcycle that makes you feel comfortable within minutes. For smart buyers looking for a cruiser that feels practical, smooth, and confidence-inspiring, the Kawasaki Vulcan S remains a very strong choice. Number 5. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is one of the most trusted motorcycles for riders who want a simple, reliable cruiser that feels comfortable from the very first ride. Smart buyers are choosing this bike because it offers dependable performance without feeling heavy or complicated. It runs on a smooth 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers steady, predictable power for everyday riding. Whether you're commuting or heading out for a relaxed weekend ride, the engine feels refined and easy to manage. Many riders appreciate how calm and confidence-inspiring this motorcycle feels on the road. Another strong advantage is its excellent fuel economy, typically around 27 to 30 kilometers per liter, which keeps running costs low for daily riders. The low seat height of about 690 millimeters also makes a big difference, helping riders feel secure when stopping or maneuvering in traffic. What makes the Rebel 500 stand out is its simplicity. It's comfortable, reliable, and easy to live with, even for riders returning to motorcycling after many years. This is the kind of bike that quickly earns your trust every time you start the engine. Number 4. Triumph Bonavville T120. The Triumph Bonavville T120 is a motorcycle that blends classic style with modern reliability, which is why many smart buyers continue to choose it. It feels premium, comfortable, and built for riders who want a smooth, confident riding experience. It's powered by a refined 1200cc parallel twin engine that delivers strong, relaxed power without feeling aggressive. The bike responds smoothly and feels especially comfortable on open roads, making longer rides feel calm and enjoyable. Many experienced riders appreciate how steady and predictable this motorcycle feels. Another reason riders trust the T120 is its comfortable seat height of around 790 millimeters, which suits a wide range of riders and supports relaxed riding posture. It also carries a practical fuel tank capacity of about 14.5 liters, allowing riders to travel longer distances without frequent fuel stops. What makes this motorcycle special is the overall riding experience. It feels solid, balanced, and reassuring every time you get on the road. This is the kind of bike that makes you look forward to every ride, whether it's a short trip or a full-day journey. Number 3. Yamaha MT07. The Yamaha MT07 has earned a strong reputation as one of the most enjoyable and practical motorcycles for everyday riders. Smart buyers are choosing this bike because it delivers lively performance while still feeling manageable and comfortable for daily use. It's powered by a responsive 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that produces smooth, energetic acceleration without becoming overwhelming. The throttle feels predictable and the bike quickly responds when you twist the grip, which makes city riding and highway merging feel confident and controlled. Many riders describe the MT07 as fun without being stressful, a balance that's hard to find. Another reason this motorcycle remains popular is its relatively light wet weight of about 184 kilograms, which makes it easy to handle in traffic, parking lots, and tight turns. The comfortable seat height of around 805 millimeters also gives riders a natural riding position and good visibility on the road, helping build confidence during everyday riding. What truly stands out about the MT07 is how it makes riding feel exciting again. The bike feels agile, responsive, and surprisingly comfortable for longer trips, even though it's known for its sporty personality. This is the kind of motorcycle that puts a smile on your face every time you start the engine. For riders who want a dependable motorcycle that combines performance, practicality, and everyday fun, the Yamaha MT07 continues to be a very smart choice right now. Number 2. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 has become a popular choice for riders who want strong performance combined with real everyday comfort. It carries the relaxed look of a cruiser, but it rides with the smoothness and confidence many modern riders appreciate. At the heart of this motorcycle is a capable 1084 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers steady, confident power without feeling difficult to manage. Acceleration feels smooth and highway riding becomes relaxed and enjoyable, especially for riders who value comfort over aggressive speed. Another reason buyers are choosing the Rebel 1100 is its low seat height of around 700 millimeters, which helps many riders feel stable and secure when stopping or moving slowly in traffic. It also offers practical fuel economy of roughly 22 to 25 kilometers per liter, making it efficient for daily riding and longer trips. What makes this motorcycle stand out is how balanced it feels. The ride is comfortable, the controls are easy to use, and the overall experience feels refined and dependable. This is the kind of bike that gives riders real confidence every time they head out on the road. Number 1. Indian Scout Rogue 60. The Indian Scout Rogue 60 has become a top choice for riders who want strong performance, modern style, and dependable everyday usability. It stands out on the road, but more importantly, it delivers a smooth and confident riding experience that many buyers appreciate. It's powered by a reliable 999 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that provides steady, responsive acceleration without feeling difficult to control. The engine feels smooth during city rides and relaxed cruising, giving riders confidence in different road conditions. Another advantage is its low seat height of around 649 millimeters, which helps many riders feel secure and comfortable at stops. It also features a practical fuel tank capacity of about 13 liters, offering enough range for daily riding and weekend trips. What makes this motorcycle special is the way it combines style with real-world comfort. It feels solid, easy to manage, and enjoyable every time you ride. Exactly what smart buyers are looking for today. Ride smart, ride safe, and enjoy every mile. Subscribe for more trusted motorcycle insights.